こんにちは。
こんにちは。
日本語リンゴのカンタです。
カイです。
Today, we're gonna show you what to say instead of に違いない to sound more like a native.
Like us. に違いない is N3 grammar that means I'm sure blah blah, no doubt that blah blah, or must be blah blah.
I saw this sentence in a textbook. Like when your friend hasn't texted you back in the morning, you might say, 翔太は寝ているに違いない。
Yeah, this is correct, but it sounds too formal or even weird in casual conversation. Then, what would you say?
Yeah, what would we say?
In this context, I would say, 翔太は絶対寝てる. Another example. 太郎とさくらは付き合っているに違いない.
Yes, this is correct. But you can sound more natural by saying 太郎とさくら絶対付き合ってる instead. There are two things to note. One, this word 絶対 is grammatically used as adverb 絶対に and 絶対に is totally fine, but in the most casual conversation, we don't even say に, we just say 絶対.
Yeah. 2. 絶対 can be put basically anywhere in a sentence. 絶対翔太は寝てる. 翔太は絶対寝てる. 翔太は寝てる絶対.
Let's go see a conversation.
やばい宿題終わらない。おう、カンタは絶対宿題終わってるよね。
うん。会は絶対終わってないよね。
うん。やばい。
終わらなかったら
鈴木先生絶対怒る。
でも明日の朝までだよ。
わかってるよ。けど、絶対終わらない。
いつ始めたの？
2分前。
Next time you wanna say I'm sure blah blah, I bet blah blah に違いない Try using 絶対 You will definitely sound more natural.
Great. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please hit like, leave some comments, and don't forget to subscribe.
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。この動画、絶対役に立つね。